Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding table that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Best Choice Products Portable Folding Table. If you're looking for a versatile and practical folding dining table, then our next product recommendation from Best Choice Products might get your seal of approval. It's 6 foot long and is ideal for parties, picnics, barbecue, or just to have on standby for any time that you need some extra dining space. If you're having a backyard barbecue, then Best Choice Products Portable Folding Table is precisely what you need. Or even if you have the guys coming over for a games night and want some more extra tabletop space to deal out the cards, this will stand you in good stead. Its folding design is super practical, and with a side lock as well as a carry handle, it's easy to pick up and transport, but also to quickly pack back down and neatly store away. It features a highly durable white easy-to-clean surface and comes with sturdy and robust powder-coated steel legs that have non-slip and non-marring rubber feet to keep the table securely in place. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Office Star Resin 3-piece folding bench and table set. Office Star has been producing innovative and sustainable furniture solutions for both residential and commercial sectors for years. One of their latest range of products is the Resin collection, which features furniture made with HDPE blow-molded plastic. This folding bench and table set is an affordable, efficient, and dependable purchase. The folding table features a resin surface that is not only waterproof but also scratch, stain, and impact resistant. It features a powder-coated steel tube frame that is high in performance and light in weight. You can use the table without any worries as the surface is highly durable and does not chip or crack. This Office Star Resin 3-piece folding bench and table set is a user-friendly choice for classrooms, event halls, offices, and your very own backyard. And the fact that it is water-resistant contributes to its effectiveness in the outdoors. Rain or shine, this exceptional folding table won't let you down. You can also use the set as extra seating, so there is plenty of room for all the guests. When not in use, tuck the legs safely inwards and fold the table in half. It is ready to be stored in the tiniest of spaces. At number 3, we have the Flash Furniture Black Folding Card Table. Flash Furniture has been the proud manufacturer of commercial-grade quality furniture for over 2 decades. This particular table from their collection features a sleek and functional design. It also makes an ideal card table for game night. Plus, you can use it as a study table, for eating, or as your arts and crafts workstation. Talk about versatile. Flash Furniture Black Folding Card Table can conveniently seat 4 people. The surface of the table has been constructed using 0.1875 thick vinyl and contains sponge foam padding. This surface makes it extremely easy to maintain the table and keep it in top shape. The table legs are strong and add to its overall stability. This table can bear up to a total of 130 pounds of weight, provided it is evenly distributed. It's also easy to maneuver. At number 2, we have the NPS Heavy Duty Folding Table. NPS Heavy Duty Folding Table is of heavy-duty construction and is designed with speckled gray durable plastic that is 1 3/4 inches thick and is capable of withstanding extremes of temperatures. It's fully UV protected, so an excellent choice if you do intend using and storing it outside. Available in a series of lengths, we've picked out their 72-inch long rectangular tabletop for today's review. It's a practical length and fully folds in half when not in use. The actual legs nestle flush inside the table itself, making it even easier to store and stack away. When we say, it's a heavy-duty folding table, we really do mean just that. It can hold up to an impressive 1,000-pound capacity, which is quite some barbecue banquet. The legs themselves are constructed from sturdy 18-gauge, non-marring corrosion-resistant steel. The farm is made of a similar powder-coated rust-resistant steel, which is 17-gauge. Even if you place hot plates and coffee cups directly on the surface of the table, it won't cause any damage. The coating is scratch resistant, and while it does have a slightly textured finish, it's also smooth enough to write on and be used as an office desk or creative worktop. This is a fabulously versatile folding plastic table which really is suitable for a wide range of practical applications. And finally at number 1, we have the Office Star Resin Multipurpose Folding Table. Office Star Resin Multipurpose Folding Table is a 6-foot-long multi-purpose table that conveniently and easily folds in the middle. It comes with a carrying handle and locks too, so that it's secure in transit and can either be laid down flat or stored on its side, taking up minimal space. The top of this collapsible table is made from heavy-duty off-white resin which is entirely weather and waterproof resistant, as well as being impervious to scratches and stains. This makes it an ideal fold-out table for use either inside or out. It sets up and collapses in minutes and folds flat for storage when not in use. It can also be very easily cleaned down with just a damp cloth. This version is 6 foot long, weighs 34 pounds and can hold up to 300 pounds. The design is sleek and streamlined and also features a highly durable and robust powder-coated tubular frame. Double-side support rails provide added stability and strength when the table is in use, and rubber caps on the feet help to protect your floors. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.